So
The
this
pepper.
the pepper.
Nice
Yes,
setup you have.
Please take a seat, please, madam. This is the village kitchen.
Okay.
You can take a video, picture, yeah?
Oh, this is nice. Yeah. హలో ప్రజెంట్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం నా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ అకౌంట్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి.
I have to eat noodles with chicken curry now. That's a different combination. You want?
No.
No?
I'll eat right.
Yes.
దానికి అది స్పైసీ అయిపోయింది. చాలా 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 నచ్చింది.
ఆటో అంత గ్రావిటీ. ఫుడ్ 1250 అంటే 350 రూపీస్. చాలా చీప్, ఇద్దరికి కలిపి 350 రూపీస్. అండ్ చాలా టేస్టీగా ఉంది. ఇంత చిన్న ప్లేస్కి ఫుల్ ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్.
Outside now busy.
ఓకే we are going outside.
No, today city.
Okay.
Outside tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, they have museum. ఇదేదో అస్గిరి పగోడా అంట. అస్గిరి పగోడా. వాట్?
Museum. This is all Anuradhapura story. Anuradhapura story all. This before story. That
పగోడా అంట.
now here.
అది చెప్పేదంతా మనకి తెలిసిందే.
1815 story. Come. You come here. Look here.
ఓ వావ్.
1815 story. This natural hand paint, not this frame. Hand paint. You see.
Wow, this is good.
Buddha.
కొన్ని హ్యాండ్ పెయింటెడ్ అంట. భలే ఉంది డూమ్. చాలా బాగుంది. అంత బుద్ధ స్టోరీ.
Good car.
He is our photographer too.
Good car.
What is your name?
Palita.
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 Oh.
Good car. You saw this place.
Uh-huh.
No understand.
No understand.
Yes, you have people.
Yeah, I saw Buddha story.
Buddha story. 1815 story.
Okay.
You see, 1815 story this.
Okay.
That time English government. You see. He's
You wanna say hi? You won't say hi? భలే ఉన్నారు.
This is a red color clock tower shape. There is Catholic Church.
Okay.
Catholic Church. There are
This
two
is the temple?
Temple. They are white Buddha. Now see the temple.
Yeah, pagoda.
This one. Pagoda.
That one only we
Yes.
went.
Now look.
Okay.
I going. Tomorrow white Buddha.
ఓకే.
Now, no.
అదే క్యాండిల్ లేక చాలా బాగుంది. నైట్ టైం ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది అంటే డాన్స్లు వేస్తారంట. అక్కడ తీసుకెళ్తా అన్నాడు ఈయన.
They are going so. They are.
వ్యూ పాయింట్ చాలా బాగుంది కానీ కొంచెం చెట్లు ట్రిమ్ చేస్తే ఇంకా బాగుంది.
People going like this making.
Yes.
Making. Take this like this making. Take this jump.
No.
Rock come. Yes. Lucky people.
వజ్రాలు దొరుకుతాయంట.
Lucky people coming here.
Gem.
Go to the factory. As in cut, here have factory, gem museum. Cutting after. Come.
ఇదేదో హర్బల్ గార్డెన్ అంట.
This is herbal.
హర్బ్స్ అండ్ స్పైసెస్. వావ్.
Herbs and spices.
హలో.
Hello. You're from madam?
ఇండియా. షీస్ ఫ్రమ్ ఫ్రాన్స్. స్పైస్ వాక్. Oh, nice. Okay. Oroba.
Ayubowan.
Oh.
Ayubowan means so welcome.
Okay.
Welcome, long
Ayubowan.
life. Ayubowan.
Ayubowan. Welcome.
Welcome. This is the one of the spice, the fruit, nutmeg.
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 Ah, okay,
This
nutmeg
is
we
the
know.
one of the spice.
What is that?
Nutmeg. I don't know. Nutmeg, you don't know?
Muscat.
That is not Indian or
India calling, Indian language calling jaifal.
oh.
This is look like nutmeg, look like this one.
Okay.
This is the covering in the flower. This is the young nutmeg.
Okay.
Already finished the nutmeg. Ginger, lemon mixed together. This drink any kind of stomach problem, loose motion, trouble sickness. Sri Lanka normally our mama, anybody to some kind of like that kind of trouble immediately prepare.
Okay.
You are traveling Sri Lanka, some hotel, take some fruit, stomach, diarrhea, some kind of problem you can tell me, I will prepare. Nutmeg,
Stomach problem. With what you make it? With
the stomach problem.
yes.
Yeah, nutmeg,
yeah.
ginger.
ఇది
lemon.
మనం
Later in the
బిర్యానీలో
paper.
వేస్తాం.
It's the nutmeg, the red flower. The red flower. Very young, the baby leaves. Nidra of mean people problem yoga nidra.
Yeah.
People problem
Sleep.
sleeping, snoring,
Okay.
insomnia also.
Oh, for this?
Yeah, oil.
Oil, okay.
Mimosa, touch me not.
Okay.
Mimosa, so leaves, so flower, already mix the oil. Black tea powder, ginger, cardamom, cinnamon.
Okay.
No sugar, sweet for vanilla.
Oh.
Normal throat, normal stomach, winter time also, herbal tea.
It's nice.
First
Yeah.
time Sri Lanka,
You had?
Yes, first
Good.
time. Yes, I had.
1 month, 2 month.
Oh no, 1 month, 2 months, just 10 days.
Yes.
Small day. Next time.
Yes. We hope to come.
But almost
This is starting the new
Yeah,
pepper. You
pepper.
can see, madam, all the new pepper starting. Pepper flower look like this one. This is the pepper flower. Yeah. This every flower, new flower. Later I will show you pepper. One plant, 4 kind of pepper.
okay.
This one for coffee. See the coffee bean. This look like coffee, green coffee. The green coffee after the red. Red coffee skin dry after the
Coffee.
after they make the machine.
Indonesia
in the
like that.
coffee, yeah? This is the ginger. Ginger
Yeah,
tea,
used
ginger
to have in
beer,
my house.
ginger biscuit. Ginger makes so many things, so many items. Ginger with sugar cane, good for the cough.
Yeah.
Canela.
Cinnamon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chanel.
Skin bark. Shaving in the skin.
This
in
is
the
what
sun.
you threw yesterday
Okay, I didn't.
from the food.
Yes, I didn't like in.
Cinnamon always much people use cooking.
It's really good.
So many kind of cooking items, so many kind of things. Oil very powerful, teeth ringing also. Choose for cooking.
Which we eat a lot.
Yeah. Good madam cholesterol. This curry normally home
పాపండి
use
నీకు తెలియదు అనుకుంటా కర్రీ లీఫ్ అంటే ఏంటో.
Is it curry?
Oh.
One of the
I
curry
know.
cooking.
We have in our house.
And this one, madam, this one you can home. You can some kind of people to cholesterol. You can take the face with garlic. You can eat cholesterol fall down. LDL. This is wild curry no cooking. Wild curry, wild garlic, wild green leaves, wild got to color. So many ingredients.
కొలెస్ట్రాల్
for
ఉంటే
LDL
గార్లిక్
people.
వేసుకొని
High
వెల్లుల్లిపాయ
cholesterol,
వేసుకొని
high blood pressure.
కర్రీ లీఫ్. కర్రీ లీఫ్ని ఏమంటారు? అయ్యో, కర్రీ పత్తా. ఇట్స్ ఇన్ హిందీ. అయ్యో, తెలుగు మర్చిపోయాను నేను. ఇన్ని లాంగ్వేజెస్ తోడా తోడా మాలూమ్. అయ్యయ్యో, కరివేపాకు వెల్లుల్లిపాయ వేసి నూరుకొని తింటే కొలెస్ట్రాల్ పోయిద్దంట, తగ్గిద్ది. ఓ, వెనిలా.
Ah, c'est vanilla.
Ice cream, cake.
I know that.
You couldn't make out?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Kia kamana?
పాపం దీనికి తెలియలేదు.
The sun already changed the color. Black pepper.
ఓకే.
Red color pepper skin removing again in the sun dry. White pepper.
Oh.
Use 2 pepper, black pepper and white pepper. Yeah. Okay. One of the Ayurveda. This medicine, madam, pepper main ingredient for the veins problem. Later I'll explain everything. Yeah?
ఓకే.
This is very tall, very high fruit. You can believe.
ఓకే, నాకు బోల్డ్ అంత జుట్టు ఉంది.
Here.
ఓకే. Oh. Yeah, smell is good.
Smell, eh? This before used 2 people. One of the people, our Buddhists of the monk. Monk people use the head. Our pregnant mama used bikini. Now tattoo people, cycle, body people, always ladies for baby hair, much problem. They can, you see after the face also, more Indian people take Sri Lanka. Why Sri Lanka is special recipe. This hair removal.
Okay. How long I should wait?
10 minutes time.
10 minutes,
Explain
okay.
after, you know.
Okay. Wow. Easy experiment on me. I have lots of hair.
No, madam, your beauty, you are covering in the hair. After this hair is gone, you can see how to beauty skin inside.
Wow.
Later you can check.
I understood.
This
Touch me not, that is.
Now
You
already,
don't know?
now already close it, see? Yeah, 1 of 2 of
What will you touch me not for?
sleeping problem. Sleeping
really?
medicine. Mimosa.
Really?
Can't sleeping, snoring, insomnia also.
C'est mimosa, c'est ça?
Yeah.
Ça descend tout seul.
Make it. Acne.
Yes.
This is another one I told you. Yeah.
What is this?
This pandan leaves, the rampe.
Okay.
This is one of the medicine, madam, cortisone. Herpes, eczema, dermatitis, psoriasis, rash, allergy. Cosmetic in the world.
Sandalwood.
Sandal. What the different,
Sandalwood.
madam? This tree, 20 years old, 30, 35 years starting look like a gum. After tree, badminton aganda, after cut the tree, this make every medicine for 5 years expire. No expire, just little oil and cream together. So apply for the natural face. Always people to skin the dry skin, the dark eyes, black white spots, wrinkles, acne. Acne not in the face. Somebody to acne body. Acne mean white color. It's removing, it's gone. Ladies apply for the cellulite. Baby mama apply stomach, stretch
For
mark.
the
Stretch mark.
Yeah.
Sometimes all fat people change color, brown, black, change color here. The bikini, the bruised area, this white. Sri Lanka to India, very big story. Anybody know? Asian people. Ramayana, calling Sita Rama.
I told you yesterday the story.
Yeah, Ramayana, very big story, big recipe. Lord of the Buddha, Siddha, 25 ingredient. Ayurveda calling Walter in Sri Lanka, age nothing, any kind of aches and pain. So feet problem, muscles problem, so many kind of knee creak sound, bed back, neck shoulder. Always people starting rheumatitis, arthritis, osteoporosis, disc. Some kind of people
Oh yeah.
can take a picture.
So
The pepper.
Ah, the pepper,
nice
yes.
setup you have.
Please take a seat, please, madam. This is the village kitchen.
Okay.
You can take a video, picture, yeah.
This is nice.
Yeah.
Coconut salad, coconut sambal, yeah.
Okay.
Now I show you my student how to make. Everybody you can eat green salad, fruit salad. Now I'll show you how the coconut salad.
Oh, that's so comfortable.
You can also try, madam, eh?
Okay.
After you teach you thing, eh? You can take a video, you can memory.
This I used to do in my childhood.
Yes.
చిన్నప్పుడు చేసేదాన్ని. Yeah, in our home you have to sit down and yeah, I know.
Up, down. Falling.
I think
You are an expert.
yeah, I know how to do it.
Okay.
చిన్నప్పుడు ఇంట్లో నూరేవాళ్ళం. వీళ్ళది డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంది, పైన కూర్చొని చేసేది.
So convenient.
Yeah.
Can I try now? Sit. Okay. So then, like that. Ah. Okay. Like that. Okay.
Be careful with your hands.
No, don't worry.
ఇది చాలా సున్నితంగా నూరుతుంది. I'm telling you.
Right hands. Right. I can put. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Right hands.
Okay. Coconut, onion,
Okay.
chili. You like it spicy?
A little.
Little.
Yeah.
Chili,
Mm-hmm.
salt,
Salt. Salt.
lime,
Okay.
squeeze.
Squeeze.
Tomato. Kadewat.
Tante kelpo sudah benar yang
A mix.
Tante kelpo sudah. Umar kelpo tega benar yang Maduro kala. Balan nepe kopi makala sih.
I finally know how it's been done.
Little bit taste.
I can taste.
Yeah. Wow.
Very good.
Yeah, it's very good. చాలా బాగుంది ఇది. Nice recipe.
Hello.
It's very good. చాలా బాగుంది.
Ada nenek sound daannya. Sound daannya wage me durakatne emu gattadu dan me.
What is this? This is a traditional roti. Okay, we have to eat with salad. Oh, nice.
Hari ena sound me wage velada vetaiya. Hada kodo.
Ils ont le préparé nous-mêmes.
Sri Lanka coconut pizza.
Oh, coconut pizza.
Pizza.
Nice.
That's Sri Lanka coconut pizza. Eat it. How's it? Very good. Coconut pizza antade. Super. చాలా బాగుంది. చాలా బాగుంది.
Chala bongi.
అదో క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఇస్తుంది లాస్ట్లో. చాలా బాగుంది అని.
Paper.
On a fait un test sur la crème qui épine.
నైస్. జుట్టు పోయింది.
Oh là là. Ça marche hein?
ఊళ్ళల్లో పోయింది జుట్టు. ఫేషియల్ హెయిర్ కంట చాలా బాగుంది.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని వాళ్ళు వెంటనే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి.